Welcome to our guide on developing and selling eco-friendly cleaning products. Today, we'll explore valuable resources to help you create a sustainable and successful product line. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Natural Cleaning Revolution by Sarah Barlow and Jane Sterland offers a comprehensive guide to making your own natural cleaning products. Another great read is Green Cleaning by Rebecca Sullivan. This book provides tips on developing your own eco-friendly cleaning product line for a greener home. Podcasts are also a fantastic resource. The Green Divas covers various topics related to eco-friendly living, including cleaning products. Tune in for insightful discussions. For visual learners, YouTube has excellent tutorials. Check out How to Make Eco-Friendly Cleaning Products by The Green Parent for a step-by-step guide. AI tools can streamline your product development. Platforms like Grove Collaborative and Cleanwell offer AI-powered solutions to help businesses create and sell eco-friendly cleaning products. Online courses provide structured learning. Udemy's Eco-Friendly Cleaning Products course offers a comprehensive guide to developing and selling your own eco-friendly cleaning products. Remember, thorough research and expert guidance are key. Utilize these resources to ensure your products are effective and sustainable. Good luck on your eco-friendly journey!